Holy shit, I didn't even realize the countdown was finished. What's up, gang? Let me have a look over here. Shit, 1 second. What's happening with you guys? Gold's doing gold things again. Gold is truly being gold. And skyrocketing to the mountain peaks. I'm just clicking this and then this. Bringing this to here. Sorry, 1 sec, gang. But yeah, man, gold's been gold. Back at it. All right, let me click start with this TikTok thing. Okay. All right, you guys. Another day on the charts. Chasing dreams. Another day on the charts, chasing dreams. And really using trading as a platform to do such. Which in my opinion is a blessing. What a thing that we are gifted with, right? Wow, gold is just... So it's really tricky here, you guys, because like ideally, because gold just keeps repeatedly pushing up, you know, I obviously want to kind of capitalize on one of these pullbacks. It's just pushed again, man. It just keeps going. So today alone, gold has pushed 250 pips, and we're just entering London Open. Like, how crazy is that, right? What time frame are you using gold? All of them except the 5 and 1. I don't go below the 15. But I thought you weren't going to live stream here. No, I didn't say I wasn't going to. I said I might not be. I don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, so gold's obviously doing its thing. What are you going to do? You need to wait for a little pullback or something, or need to see how this current opening candle of the New York London sesh starts to develop. What up, YouTube gang? Joven, this is Top Step. This will be a Top Step account. This is not financial advice and for education purposes only. But yeah, wow, what a big day for gold. What a big kind of week, or 2025 for gold. Just pushing, 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 which is great. I love all-time highs in gold, but it's just like, you know, because it just keeps pushing, we need to kind of get an opportunity to join the ride. We need to try and find an opportunity to join along the journey of gold. What up, WJ? Trump says gold will become 3,000 this year. Yeah, entirely possible. It's entirely possible, Joe Rogan. It's entirely possible. They have a demo, but it's only when you actually get an account, Joven. Yeah, no, I don't. I understand there's like a level of uncertainty with all-time highs, but I actually like it. Like, I don't mind trading gold when it's at all-time highs. You just have to be a bit more aggressive. Like, you have to be bit more impulsive. Not impulsive, but like you got to pull the trigger. What up, Pero? But yeah, how crazy is that? 250 pips before London Open. Wow, thanks. What's the plan? Just gonna wait to see how this first 15 of the London session candle performs. Ideally, the plan of attack is to get some sort of pullback and then capitalize on the pullback for a buy. But as we came into London, it started pushing up again already. So just patience is the game right now. Patience, and let's just see how this current candle starts to form and see if we can get an opportunity of some sort. Yeah, that's my problem. When I don't see anything to the left, I stay out. Yeah, a lot of people do. But you know, you're going to miss out on a lot of really good moves. Technical analysis is still technical analysis. That's where you just got to maybe, you know, have in your mind a set amount of pips that you're willing to take. You know, if there's nothing to the left, just say, look, I'm happy with 15 pips. What up, Tony? Thanks for the follows there on Tiki. Tick City. It's what up, John? How's your week been so far, John? Have you caught any trades? What time do you do the Discord on Sundays? Same time as I come onto the stream here, London Open time. It's 6 p.m. Brisbane, Australian time. London Open time. So you guys, if you're not in the Discord on a Sunday, we get together on a webinar and we really fine tune some like technical things. Oh, okay, Ben, interesting. YTA, yeah, if you're a swing guy, sounds like a plan. What up, Classic? Brother, please check Discord. Okay, Simon, I'll check Discord. Okay, so some of the cats here are looking at dropping in some analysis over here. Breaker structure with the body closed indicates strong bullish. Yep. Big move from the bottom there. Suman caught this buy over here. Beautiful. I think that's a 15-minute. Perfect. Perfect. And that's basically the kind of moves that we're looking for, right? Some sort of pullback and then capitalize on the push back up. Beautiful stuff. Do you only trade the 15-minute? No, I'm just watching the 15-minute and then I'll just be like, I don't go any lower than the 15, right? So I just kind of usually just sit here on the 15, chilling. And then if I'm about to enter, I'll flick through all the time frames and analyze from there. So this is our only level of support thus far. Like, that's the closest level. Not that it matters when we're moving up so aggressive. So we just have to keep an eye out here. Are you a fan of auto? No. Bots? No, not at all. Not at all. Ariel, good to have you here. Class is in session, absolutely. Not much this week, hesitating the trigger a lot. That's all right. Better than jumping the trigger, my bro. Better than jumping the gun. Strong bullish momentum on the 30. Oh, strong bullish momentum on everything, for sure. What coin? Bro. You're one of the smartest traders I've seen on TikTok. I don't know about that, but I appreciate the compliment. Crypto guru, don't know how to go about buying trading coins. I don't know anything about coins, no. Oh, you're trying to spam us. Yeah, I see what's going on. What up, Origin? So yeah, we're just gonna wait for this first 15 to close over here. Patience is the name of the game. I come into the London session. I don't know about you guys, but I come into the London session with the mentality of, all right, I'm here. I'm gonna dedicate some time to sit here and wait for an ideal setup, and no FOMO until I see what I need to see. Man, some people don't have a clue, bro. Trust me. Oh, really? Yeah, I've done a bit of scrolling on like some of the live streams. It's just like, yeah, it's wild stuff out there. It's wild stuff out there. I just watched your session on the sim about resistance and support on YouTube. Really helpful. Oh, okay, excellent, beautiful. See, not many people would watch that because it's not like, you know, a lot of people's brains are just like fried. They need like the stimulation, like the fast-paced edits and the music and shit. Where that, you know, I actually started to work on a few longer format YouTube videos, and it was to kind of cater to like the cooked brains of the young generation. And I was literally about to start posting them, but I actually said, you know what? I'm going to delete these. I'm going to pursue a career. I don't even know why I'm saying the word career, but I'm going to pursue longer format videos on TikTok, on YouTube, but I'm not going to make them brain rot content, right? And if people want to watch it, they're going to get more value than brain rot content, but it might not be able to stimulate you in the way that like the right type of music editing and flashes and B-roll and all that kind of shit will. But if you get 1,000% more value if you can just chill out and actually take in the information. Dan, I'm pretty new here to it all. Do you have a Discord? Yeah, I have a Discord in my bio there. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. I don't Daniel let hit your scalp today again. Last time. Yeah, it's moving crazy. Gold's been gold. How did you work on your trading psychology? I worked on my trading psychology by working on my personal psychology, because your trading psychology is just your personal psychology, right? So you have to identify where your flaws are as an individual and work on that, because that has a direct correlation to your performance on the chart. Brother, your direction was right yesterday for a buy though. I can't even remember yet. Oh, yes. It was beautiful. But I got what I needed. I only scalped for like 15, 20 pips. And if I can hold the, hold 15%, then that's all good. But yeah, I did see it went, like, obviously if I, if I kept holding, I would be up like 300 pips, but I don't do that. Yeah, I took a bit of a sell, like a small sell. Like if I'm live on YouTube right now, you can see the full chart. You can see my P&L and stuff, but, took a small scalp on Bitcoin. What up, Lazy Homes? I'm 32, less bullshit than better than no TikTok brain rot. Yeah, exactly, Ariel. Yeah, that's right. What up, Carl? Do you watch all Brooks videos? Al Brooks? No, I don't know who that is, sorry. Then I think I need to switch strategy. I'm messing up with my account lately, not like when I started. Well, you gotta figure out, like, are you messing up with your account because of you or because of the strategy? You know what I mean? No, I don't have any open trades. I come in on the London session. This is the only time I trade. When I go to your Discord, click invite, it says unable to action. You might need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. I'll listen to this, somebody in the TikTok chat. If you are not successful in other areas of your life, you will not be successful in trading. Absolutely. I'm a pretty big believer on how you do one thing is how you do everything, right? You can't really, you can't, like, trading's fucking harder than you think. Just put it that way. Like you can't sneak your way into being a successful trader. Like it's like anything. Like if you're trying to become a professional football player, think about all the effort and shit you need to put in. What up, Lauren? Gold is pushing, absolutely. You ever gonna drop your strategy? Oh yes, soon. I don't have Telegram. I don't have Telegram. Do you know what's really interesting, you guys? And I actually posted the video of this. So that's the first 15 of the London session, like a smaller body bullish. Damn, why am I banned from YouTube chat? Riley. Are you? Are you, Riley? The only way you would be banned from YouTube chat is if you had a different name and you were trying to be something crazy and I had to block you. But I think I've only blocked like 1 or 2 people from YouTube. But what I was going to say, I actually posted this. It's really interesting because you know how you think about like success in whatever field it is. And I know Wes Watson really isn't like a very loved guy, but yeah, I'm not sure. I can't chat, but I asked the mods in the Discord. Yeah, message me on Discord. I'll have a look. Yeah, Wes Watson has a pretty famous saying where he says his success equates to not what he does, but what he doesn't do, right? And it's like, if you really think about all the shit that you shouldn't be doing on the charts or in personal life, it's going to increase your success rate dramatically. What up, Stacy? Oh, Stacy, yes, I remember you. I actually had a look at your profile after the stream yesterday, and I was like, wow, she's actually not a bot. No bots. We get a lot of girls that aren't really girls in this trading chat. But anyway, what I was going to say is, no bot here. Yeah, interesting. Maybe you are, but it's just a really good fake account. Do you have 2 accounts? No, this is not financial advice for educational purposes only. So check this out, you guys. If you want to talk about what it takes to be successful, and if we understand that the concept is much more about what you don't do as opposed to what you do. I asked ChatGPT, if you were the devil, what would you do to stop somebody from being successful? I stream every day. Oh, okay. Might have to join your one. Right? If you were the devil, what would you do to stop somebody from being successful? I asked ChatGPT. It says, number 1, encourage self-doubt. Number 2, create distractions. Number 3, promote short-term thinking. Number 4, surround you with negative influences. Number 5, instill fear of failure. Exaggerate the concept of failure as like a big deal when it really isn't. Number 6, make comfort their enemy. I'd get them addicted to comfort. Number 7, encourage procrastination. Number 8, distort their priorities. I'd make them focus on the minor things that don't move the needle while ignoring the essential tasks. Number 9, destroy their self-discipline. And number 10, make them compare themselves to others. How many of us, or how many people do you know that display so many of these traits? And it's just like, bro, success is so much more about what you don't do. Don't do none of the dumb shit. And I just thought that was really interesting. Because a lot of people would do things like ask ChatGPT, oh man, how do I be successful? But it's like, if you reverse engineer it and be like, if you were the devil, what would you do to stop somebody from being successful? And you'd be like, fuck man, I do a lot of those things that it's saying that it would do to me if it wanted me to stop being successful. Wow. What do you think of this, Daniel? Gold super bullish. I don't think, Babe, I don't think about it that much at all. I don't think that deep at all about it. Right? H, 100%. Like, even if you guys have chat, just say that. Type it in the chat and it'll give you the same list. I guarantee it. Very interesting. My cousin has no idea how to trade, but he sells signals. Fucking hell. ChatGPT is amazing for information content and watching. Yeah, definitely. Yep. I think it's terrible for personal advice, though. Don't ask ChatGPT for personal advice, because I think personal advice, I don't even know what I'm going to say, but it gives you like answers that would promote just normal thinking, right? I think so much about becoming the highest level individual is about not normal thinking. One sec. Printing it as we speak. That's fire, bro. Yeah, interesting, right? Super interesting. Like, yeah, it's a different way to kind of put something like that towards something like ChatGPT. Because like I said, everyone would be like, dude, chat, how do I be successful? How do I? And it's like, what if you reverse engineer and ask what not to do and then just avoid doing that? Like I can speak for myself. My life drastically improved when I just started to like be more hyper aware of the things that are holding myself back, like some vices and just shitty behaviors in general. And it wasn't even about trying to improve. It was just about trying to remove some of the shitty things. So let's have a look over here. What is it? 30 still open. Your Audi is a lot louder and better. Is it? No, that's not true. It's impossible. We're looking for a pullback soon or keep going over. 3K is still ages away. We're trying to capitalize on whatever little piece of pie. Well, I am trying to capitalize on whatever little piece of pie I can get out of just here. So just waiting patiently. What up, Carlos? Just waiting patiently. There's no rush. Come in for the London Open session and just patiently wait for the setup of prosperity. What's your bias? Don't have one. Obviously bullish. I don't want to go against the trend. I have both deadly. How zesty am I drinking a little fucking coffee? You're a very clever man, Daniel, or it's just ChatGPT talking. Yeah. What one do you use the most? How was maths? Pretty crazy. Good, but crazy. Happened at the right time in my life. Forced me to change a lot of things in life. That's for sure. Are you AI? That's the noise of me like swallowing anger. No, jokes. 1 hour, 30 minute. Cool. Patience. Thank you for the follows on TikTok as well, you guys. Do you think gold can reach 300 by the end of the month? I'm not sure. And who cares, really? Do you have a trading team? Yeah, I feel like I do. We have a Discord, a lot of cool people. I actually really like my Discord, and I'm not talking myself up, because all the people in my Discord, or it seems like most of the people in the Discord, come from my streams, right? And I'm not a streamer that promotes retardation. So it's just like, you know, they like... It's like, seems like relatively normal people and like actual traders, not like, if I was here like, the meme coin, it's fucking going to the roof, we're gonna make it. And then I'll just, you know, push a bunch of idiots into my Discord, then you're gonna have a bunch of fucking losers in the Discord. But I actually like, we just sit down and like try to treat, although we like goose around and be a freaking goose and shit like that, when it comes to trading, take it serious. So like, yeah, the Discord's dope, you guys. If you're not in the Discord, jump in. I would say. I don't know about stocks in Australia, True Blue. It depends why you want to. If you want to be a day trader, fuck stocks in Australia, bro. This is not financial advice, for educational purposes only and entertainment. Where's the line of interest? It's just here. It's just, I really just marked out like the closest level of support. I'm not too interested in that just yet. I just want to see what's happening over here. Very handsome AI. I love ChatGPT when someone recommends a book. Summarizes it. Interesting. Look into Forex, True Blue. Look into Forex. What up, official? Good, good, good. Do you trade other pairs? No. What are your thoughts on XRP? Don't have any. Yeah, don't have any. You know Raja Banks? I know him through a screen. I think one day I'm going to meet him. I'm going to meet him one day and we'll film it. And because Raja Banks is like, when I first came into trading, I thought this was like some really professional thing. And I was like, well, I don't have many degrees and I don't know if I'm the smartest person. I know I'm a hard worker. And I started to look into the trading scene and I started to see all these people that looked very serious and it sounded very technical. And then I came across Raja and I was like, oh, this guy was like swearing and he like made it seem really simple, but he also was killing it. And I was like, wow, like he was like a guy that kind of I could resonate with because it didn't feel like he was any much different than I was. But he also was like a professional. I knew he ran businesses as well. Like, because I could obviously find a bunch of kids on TikTok and stuff that claim to be traders, but I still want to be able to see that they have the ability to be professional as well. And I think I just resonated with Raja in that sense. And I know it's not probably a good idea to glaze people that inspire you too much, but we're going to meet him one day. We're going to meet him and get some content and be like, you're him, bro. You're him. Are you familiar with Trading Pool? I know it's an Australian trader, I think. Can I ask you why you trade in different times? I'm not too sure what you mean there, Kelds. If you're relatively new, join the Discord, brother. There's a Discord in my bio. This is not financial advice for educational purposes only. If I'm in nice, YT. What are you looking for at the moment? At the moment, I would really like to see a red candle of some sort. Dan, I don't know what, but you bring me good luck. I always watch you and make profits. That's good to know. What up, Juvis? Follow and join the Discord. Thanks for helping, man. Dope, Blue. Yeah, if you're in the Discord, yeah, I'll help you out. Because I went through, I think I know where you're at in terms of like getting your mind around things. When I first came into trading, I came into stocks first as well. Because like, I just want to learn this. And then I realized, stocks, you have to have like 20K and all this shit. Yeah, I'll help you out in the Discord. Yo, bro, big up for streaming in front of Uganda. Oh, what up, bro? What up? What up? Remember to bring a green screen when you're meeting him. Wow, FTMO acquired Uganda? Oanda? What the fuck? That's pretty random. Interesting. Oh, you want to meet Q? Yeah, fair enough. Just join the Discord. Sick. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube as well now, you guys. If you want to see the full screen, you can see my actual account details and things like that. This is not financial advice for educational purposes only. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I've not been able to see much structure the last couple of days. Oh, I'll be honest, you guys, I've missed so many fucking textbook setups, you know, because I've been trading like obviously just my session, but fuck, there's been some juices. There's been some rippers. Like for price action traders, this year, 2025 has been phenomenal. We need the likes up, people. Yeah, you guys on the YouTube, don't leave a brother hanging with 2 likes. I'll have to delete my whole YouTube out of shame. Oh, join the Discord also. Sick, sick. Like this is called Trading View or Top Step. All right, so this candle's about to close here. This is also the 30-minute candle closure. You know, the bodies are getting a bit smaller over here. Yeah. So many setups been holding. Oh, nice. Every day. It's all personal preference, Annie. Get that ego boosted. Yeah, help my ego. I like your session, man. You're perfect. Wish you could become my mentor. So much love. Motive quote. I appreciate the kind words. Maybe one day, right? Join the Discord if you're not. No, the Discord does not have trade alerts. On a Sunday, we get together in the Discord in a closed webinar, and we really kind of like tackle specific things about strategy and things like that. You have so many fake accounts here. Wait, what do you mean? You violated 2 rules straight away in the Discord? I'm close to chasing out my crypto and thinking of getting into trading part-time. Any pointers? My pointers would be, I like that you said part-time. You've got to have data, right? You have to be, if you're going to go into it with the intent to actually make something that you can sustain yourself off, you're going to need a lot of data to prove that you can actually do that. Just stumbled across your account, just started learning and training myself, excited for the future. Sick, Pete. Welcome, my friend. You have a journey ahead of you, young man. You have a journey ahead of you. Thank you for the follows there on TikTok, you guys. You have quite the journey ahead of you, young man. I remember when I first came into trading, you're the first trader I follow and I learn from. Suman, you're doing great, man. You're doing excellent. You're doing excellent. Started with the basic of baby pips like you recommended. Wow, you've been here. Yeah, you have been here for quite a while. Yeah, you're doing excellent, man. Yeah, always do better on live accounts and challenges. I think that's a lot of people. Nice, some red printing. Yeah, but remember, it only matters when it closes because this could flip green still. But yeah, it brings me, like, it gives me a good feeling when I see some of you guys that are like, hey man, I just started this and that. And, because I don't know about you guys, but when I came across trading, I was in a really low point in my life. And I knew I wanted something much better for myself and to pursue something that could bring in so much financial benefit. And when I came across trading, it was almost instant. It was like love at first sight. I've got to be honest. I just couldn't believe that it was just me, a computer, and a game that I had to figure out, right? All I had to do was figure out the technical side of it. And then after that, I just had to fucking figure out my mental. How do I manage this shit? Like, that blew my mind, man. It was like such an interesting feeling. So when I seen you guys that are getting into it, I'm like, yeah, I remember that. I remember the feeling, man. Hey, just got followed by Raja Banks. Isn't he a champ? Where's my follow, Raja? I wouldn't say a lot, discretionary, but definitely went through a lot of emotional ups and downs in the journey. Definitely. And a huge portion of them are self-inflicted, right? Because you're still trying to figure out how to manage the different situations mentally that the charts can put you in. Awesome, Regan. That's right, Joe. Yep. You guys jump over to the, if you jump over to the YouTube, you can see the whole screen, the whole chart, my whole account size and things like that. It's Daniel Holmes Trades on YouTube. Same name as my TikTok. If you look at this in the TikTok chart, if you were to put that into YouTube. Emmanuel, I would say a cheap funded account. The cheapest one they have would be a good idea because you've got a set of rules that you have to abide by. Bro, can you give insight on your risk management? Well, to give you a bit of an example, like if I enter a trade, I know the style and way in which I trade is as soon as I enter in, immediately my take profit goes to 20 pips and my stop loss goes to 20 pips. Right? I never go any steeper than 20 pips with my stop loss. And as I start to move into profits, maybe about 15 pips in a profit, I'll typically take off 85%, move stops to break even, and let the rest run to the next level of support or resistance. Because I've identified through a lot of time on the charts that 20 pips max, like if my stop loss is any steeper than 20 pips, my trade thesis and idea is basically invalid. Like it shouldn't go any lower than that. Then it means that my just trade idea is invalid, and that's that. But don't like people like get too caught up in this idea of like, what about if I want a 1 to 2 RR or 6 to 8 RR and all this bullshit. It's like, bro, just chill. Just chill. So a 1 to 1, you need a 90% win rate. What are you fucking talking about? Quick math, bro. Yeah, salad fingers. You obviously went in a bit heavy and got burnt hard. Now's your second win, brother. Now's the second win. Oh, nice, Bab. Dope. Good shit, man. Congrats. Now's the second win to take it a more steady approach. Do you think it will continue to climb? Not sure. Please see Discord. Okay. Wow, I'm such a bot. Please do this. Okay. Okay, what do we got here? So we're looking at, yeah, we're just moving up over here. I think you've got 2 levels here marked out, but it's fucking bright yellow. I can't see. Yeah, any of you guys got some analysis over here? Drop it in. Yep. Nice. All right. Do you use FVGs? No. Nope. Do you have a group where members can join for trade calls? No. Like I have a group, but we don't like call shit out or anything like that. Because when I trade and call things out, it's live on stream. I'm here every day. If I take a trade outside of my stream, it's kind of like just a little low lot size and just kind of maybe trying something just to mess around. Nothing like serious. When I take my trading like serious and I'm ready to kind of really, get into a trade, it's on stream. You guys on TikTok, check the chat. Oh, salad fingers, you're in Brisbane. Okay, amazing. For sure. I was thinking about it today. I'm like, man, I got to just keep growing like the community and get definitely do a meetup with Australian guys. Ooh, that might be my first buy or sell question. You're very informative, bro. I need any help over tax instructions. Happy to help. Oh, okay, interesting. Where can somebody learn a trade or a traineeship? I'd say just start Googling the very basics. Even ChatGPT, like just talk to ChatGPT on the auto feature. What country you live in? Australia. Yeah, can't really talk about some of this shit when on TikTok, you guys. Bruisey. Google and practice. Yep. What's your strategy? Price action. PA. PA. Watching from the Philippines. Oh. What is price action? It's essentially just kind of reading what the clues that candlesticks leave you. XRP. Yeah, I don't know anything. I only know XR. Sup, Dillawa? I don't know about that, Preach, but I'm trying a bit more. I was told to stick to one aspect that you're better in and then execute in all different types of trades. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. At some stage, like in the early stage, I don't think it's not a bad idea to kind of bounce around and do all this all these bullshit strategies. But then at some point, you're gonna have to settle down with a nice young lady, right? You're gonna have to settle down. What up, Harry? And at that point of settling down, then you really start to kind of fine tune what this strategy is and crush it like that. Bro, look at the sunset. It's like orange. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's fucking... Yeah, it's definitely not picking it up, but it's really orange. You don't use FVGs in that. What do you use? Doji, shooting stars? I know a lot of like young traders are like, what? You don't use FVG? Fucking ICT, diversions, crossover, shooting star, teacup, turtle soup, bullshit, dog shit patterns? No. No. Your boy trades price action, meaning I read the clues at the candlesticks leave me. Your boy does not trade fucking... You know, we had someone on here asking about the giraffe pattern, and it was like, no, we don't even trade the giraffe pattern, right? With the eye there. We don't trade any of this shit. Sunset, sundown. It's yeah, sunset. Please, I want to learn. Start learning then. Section B. No, nothing. No indicators whatsoever. The only indicator I use is my soul. Daniel, I'm watching TJR trades for his boot camp, but can you dumb down what liquidity is? It's just a term used to... It's really just a made up term to try to understand or try to... You got to realize, guys, all that these charts are doing are just moving up and down based on the value of gold or the US dollar. And we have to kind of make up terms to try to make sense of the randomness. So nothing really means anything. Nothing really means anything. I'm not a liquidity guy, so I don't have an opinion on that. Do you only use a 15? No. Do you have a signal group? No. Nope. No signals. No signals, no liquidity, no turtle soups, no teacup patterns. Just chilling. We trade the chill pattern. All right, so price is moving up over here, which is really cool. You know what I mean? Look at this, bro. Wild. Wild. Look at the daily. What's the daily looking like? Cool. 2 seconds. Candle's about to close in 1 second. Did it close with no top wick? Pretty much. Is that a 30-minute closure? No. just wowzo. Do you know how many people are selling? Like, people just keep selling against the trend because they're like, it can't keep going. And I'm like, bro, you don't know gold. Gold will do what gold wants to do. And if gold wants to keep going, that bitch will fly. Don't underestimate the psychosis of gold. Do not, and that's a saying going way back. Do not underestimate the psychosis of gold. So in this stage, that candle just closed there. The patience game continues because we're moving. We're moving. Trend is a friend for sure. So true. I'm selling for fun at this point. You're gonna get burnt, my brother. Oh, actually, do whatever. But yeah. When the candle's moving aggressively up, it's like just noobs. All the noobs sell against the trend. Sorry to say it. It's just what it is. I can't Dilawar until I see red. Yes, yes, exactly. If you don't know what liquidity is, then, my friend, you are liquidity. Well, I'm doing all right for somebody that doesn't know what liquidity is. I used to blow accounts on the 6. I used to blow account on the 6. What do you mean, John? You used to blow an account on the 6? What up, Mitalog? Oh. Oh, that's crazy if you don't know liquidity. Yeah, bro, super crazy. So crazy. I wish I could know all these hectic, cool things. I would be so much more profitable. The more you know, you guys, did you not realize with trading, the more you know, the more profitable you are. So all you need to do is just analyze every bullshit thing that ever pops up in the existence of the world, and then you're good to go. What symbol is this? So you don't trade any pullbacks? I do trade pullbacks, but when the market gives an indication that it's pulling back. That's the only thing. That's when I trade a pullback. Best analysts are the worst traders? I agree. And I used to be a victim of that. I used to think like trading has to be really complicated. I need to understand. Your videos are all over my face. For You page. Ah, amazing. I love to hear that. That's fucking really good to know because I'm like, man, a lot of my fucking trading videos on TikTok get a lot of views in the trading space. I wonder if it spams on people's pages. Like, I hope it does. Has trading helped you escape the 9 to 5? Well, this is an interesting thing. Has trading helped you escape the 9 to 5? I don't have like a typical 9 to 5 job, right? Like, you know, my job I actually enjoy and I have a lot of freedom and I actually work from home. So I'm not like a lot of people that like, you know, they really want to get out of the situation they are in through trading. So I wouldn't say that. If you brought up here would be a dumb move. It'd be smarter than selling. You think about the Adam Ross and Frank Diss? Bro, I have zero opinion. Bro, have you many people trying to catfish you? I don't know what you mean. My favorite analysis paralysis. Keep simply. You need to know your strategy exactly, Lauren. I used to keep selling, saying it can't keep going up. Ah, I see what you're saying. So check this out, you guys. Join in the YouTube chat, and we're just talking about that, right? And I've done it as well. Which is, you're saying in your head, there's no way this can keep going up. I'm selling now. And then what does it do? It keeps going up, takes you out. Nah, this time definitely sell, keeps going up, takes you out. And you know, and then when it actually does start to go down, then you're in a buy at that point, and it's just a nightmare. So patience is the name. If it's going up, it's going up. Don't overthink it. Don't think that you're smarter than the charts, because you're not. I said it yesterday. There's God, and then there's the charts. Like, I'm trying to fucking. This is not financial advice. 3 candles creates a FVG and price pushed up. Oh my God, bro. Okay, so price has been pushing up on gold here, you guys, because a fucking 5-second FVG was created. So just remember that. Sorry. Bro, this whole FVG shit has just taken over the TikTok fucking kid trading community world. It's like, you guys are... I don't even know. Just leave. I'll stay out of it. NFP today? No. Friday. I might do an NFP stream. Yeah, but you said you don't really need to know what liquidity is, but you should know where it rests. But that again is you making up a concept. Like, for you to say like liquidity is resting here, it's really just a concept. It's not like you don't know that for facts. Like, at the end of the day, you got to remember why is these candles moving up and down? Because it's indicating the value of the current asset that you're watching, not because it's an organic thing that's out to get your stop losses and it's out to sweep your liquidity. It's just a fucking representation of what the value of the thing you're looking at is. Like, obviously I know what liquidity is. I'm being a dickhead, but I'm saying I don't care about it. I don't think about it. I don't need to. I just follow my own rules. I've received 7 follow requests from you. Oh shit. Oh, non-pump roll change. Yeah, the actual NFP is on Friday though. But yeah, interesting. Yeah, we do have that one tonight. Do you analyze value area? I don't know what that is, bro. Sorry. Yeah, we've all done it, lazy. We've all done it. So how do you analyze your charts if you don't believe in it at all? I analyze my charts by looking at the closest level of support and resistance, and then I analyze candlesticks, the way they form in conjunction with the other candlesticks to get a clue as to where it's going to potentially go in the next 20 pips. That's all. That's all. And then I do that on rinse and repeat every single day and walk away. In January, I only had 1 red day doing that. And that's not me saying because I'm cool. That's the first time it's ever happened. But like, I'm just a price action guy that pays attention to key areas, right? I don't care about fucking FVGs and liquidities and fucking turtle soups and kangaroo patterns. I'm just chilling out, doing my thing. That's all. And news drives the market. Yeah, fundamentals. But us as human beings, we like, obviously there is more to the charts than just like the price depiction, but you know, a lot of people have this different terms for the same shit. How do I locate your Discord, brother? It's pinned in the chat there. Bro, only scammers using Telegrams. I agree. That's why I don't have a Telegram. I'm like, bro, that shit's hella scammy. Scammy. You guys on TikTok, if you type that into YouTube, I'm live there. You can see the whole screen. You can see my account, all that type of shit. This is not financial advice. I'm live on YouTube. I know you care about kangaroo patterns. They're the real problem. Yeah, you don't want to mess with the kangaroo patterns, my dudes. Trading, look at this in the YouTube chat. Trading has been made to seem super complicated like anything. The gym, for example, you stick to the basics, repeat, and knots. Exactly. Exactly. Do you guys realize in like literally everything in life, the people that do it at the highest level do the basics the best? Look at like the highest level boxers. The ones that are the most successful do the basics the best. Not the guys, and same with bodybuilding. Like You've got, at the highest level, you've got two different type of bodybuilders. You've got the bodybuilders that use the latest science and all the fucking, they're tied up to all the shit and they're doing all the crazy shit. And then you got the guys that just get in the gym, have a good form, stick to the basics, and they always look way better, right? In every field in life, regardless of what it is, the basics win. That's it. That's it, Mel. I like your YouTube. Yeah, the sun goes down fast. Like when I pull it up, it looks dark. It looks really bright, but it's when I pull up the thing, it's actually not that bright. So yeah, the sun's when the sun goes down, bro. Don't say you. Ooh, do you reckon? Do you reckon? All right, I won't say it again. Jeff Nippard is jacked. Do you know who else is jacked? Fucking Phil Heath. Let's put Jeff Nippard and fucking Phil Heath next to each other. This looks pretty easy. Yeah, give it a crack. Super easy. Oh, Braden on the nightcap. Kevin Lavona's GOAT. Yeah, he had the dopest body, man. For me, it's funny when people's... Oh, some sort of gift over here, a star. Wow, thank you, P-Code. I've never seen that. I've never seen that star one. Hectic. For me, it's funny when people ask buy and sell because it was their position. Oh, yeah, it blows my mind to this day. Oh, yes, we've got 2.5 minutes for this candle. We're actually getting some red. Come on, candle. Fuck gold. You can go down. You don't need to follow the crowd. Go down, my friend. Calvin Hill, what up, what up, what up? Oh, you're a fake Calvin Hill account. Quick question, because I'm recently thinking of starting trading. Where is the best place to start? Honestly, bro, just Google. You got to start on Google. Just start Googling what is trading. Like, start at the very bottom. Start up from the bottom now. Love your content, bro. Thank you. Love you. I'm actually in love with you. Like, you heard it here first. Love with you. Daniel, are you becoming a mentor to teach people? I've got a Discord in the bio. Just do it for free. Do what I can. Do you know your success rate? No. No. It's pretty good. It's not too bad. It's pretty good, actually. It's very manipulated. No, I disagree. I think you're just overthinking it. No, I don't have another account. Best tips for trading London GC? Patience is the best tip. Wait for exactly what you need to see and then strike without fear. We strike without fear. All right. I'll lead the front line. Order! When the horn rings, we strike without fear. That's my best advice. So... it's very manipulated. It's not manipulated! Who's manipulated it? The Oracle? Is this fucking the Matrix and the Oracle's behind the charts manipulating it because it knows where you're... the person on TikTok is... we've got Stacy here on TikTok. Her stop loss is here. Haha, let's get it. Let's get her stop loss. Haha, we got Stacy out. Next. Look, some other 18-year-old stop loss is here on TikTok. Strike! It's like no one's manipulating shit. The market is moving up and down based on the value of gold. That's all. There's no Oracle. You're not Neo. There's no fucking Agent Smith. It's all good. All right? What's set up? Just waiting for a bit of red to get printed to get a bit of an idea over here. Thought I was Neo. You might be Neo. Yeah, you might be Neo. We'll see, I guess. What's your opinion on scalps? My opinion's good. I like scalp. Itchy scalp. You are so lucky. No, I disagree. I don't think I'm lucky. Actually, I think this year I've maybe been involved in a little bit of luck due to praying specifically to God, which I'd never done in my life before. And I found myself in some sort of situations that I thought were a bit unusual in a good way. And I could only attribute it to maybe the fact that I was praying to God specifically. But other than that, I've never had much luck. My success story is still going a manga. Good wishes to you too, Dilawa. How would you... I started trading old, so I'm old. Like most of the cats here are probably younger than me. So I'm 34. I started trading at like 30 or 31. All right. So we've got a red candle printed here. Let's have a look. Was that the 1 hour closure? Yes. So let's do a little bit of vanilla. Very strong 1 hour closure. $30-minute, very strong. 15, very strong. I could take an impulse buy at the break of this. You look young as fuck. No, it's just lighting and angles. You are not 34? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. I am. We can put a buy stop potentially. Yes, this has been my most successful. Yeah. 34 here too. Just started properly again. Ah, amazing. And this is the thing, like, even when I started at like 30, 31, I was like, oh man, is it too late? And it's like, hey bro, what other option do you have, doofus? And now that I'm like 34 and I've spent this amount of time, I'm like, fuck yeah, I'm glad I did. And even if I didn't start, if I were to start at 34, it's like, it's okay. Because you're still going to be alive for like 70 years. So like it's all good type shit. All right, let me have a look at this. I want to let this breathe a little bit. Studies show that people that consider themselves lucky notice more opportunities. Interesting. That's actually random. I didn't think of that. Huh. Never too late to start anything. I agree. What's the toughest point you're trading? Just like feeling like I couldn't stick to my rules was the toughest point of my trading, where I was like, maybe I just can't do this. Like I might just be a bitch, right? I might just be too much of a bitch that I can't even stick to my rules, and that I might have to take an impulse buy here in a second. All right, that's what I thought. I'm gonna let this, if this can have a little pullback. Yeah, I don't like it because it's not breaking past here. It's breaking past on futures, but not on Forex. I'm gonna have to let it breathe a little bit. So the toughest point of my trading was to look in the mirror metaphorically and be like, you might be just a little bitch because you keep breaking your fucking rules, and you've only got yourself to blame for that. And I kept at it and kept trying to get better the next day than the mistakes I made yesterday, and gradually started to break the chains of bad habits that kept destroying my accounts. Do you have a YouTube? Yep, I'm live there right now. It's the same name as my TikTok name. Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm 32 and only started trading and stopped working. Oh wow, incredible. I'm 26 and nervous. Keep doubting whether I should try. Well, the thing is, you've got nothing to... Oh, you actually kind of do have something to lose, but I say this. You've got to have a strong enough why. Like, trading isn't for everyone. Put it this way. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Trading's not for everyone. Most of you guys here are probably not going to make it because it's not for everyone. And it's very difficult, and you have to have a really, really strong why. Why am I doing this? Enough to keep pushing you when it gets very difficult. If it's just like, oh yeah, like I would like to try this, it'd be great to have a bit of side income. Yeah, you're not going to make it. Like, I've got to be honest, because it's too difficult. It's too difficult to have a consistent amount of income from this. It requires a lot of effort, a lot of introspective work, and a lot of, just looking in the mirror metaphorically and trying to get better as a person and a trader. For me personally, I've always had something within me. I'm like, man, I know I can do something better than this. Like, I know I'm meant for more. I know that sounds cringy, but it's just how I've always felt. And when I found trading, it felt like I aligned my vision with my purpose. I feel like I found my purpose. Like, it just made sense. It's like, oh, here it is. This is that thing that I've been feeling, right? You feeling the same, Drock? Derek? Sick, brother. Yep. I don't know what that is, T-Womp. Price action trader. Research and learning never stops. Absolutely. Same way. You guys feel the same way? I thought I was alone. I think so here's the thing. I think everyone's kind of gifted, and I think everyone's gifted, like every single person. But along the way, as you get older, you kind of forget. And I think everyone's extremely mentally strong and has the ability to be extremely successful. But again, along the way, as you age and you go through different things in life, you kind of forget, right? You actually genuinely kind of forget how great, and again, I'm not trying to be cringy, but how great you can actually be in whatever you decide to do. And when you do something like trading, it'll trigger those kind of insecurities, and it'll force you to kind of really remind yourself that you are him. You are him. And it's just going to require a lot of effort. That's all. We are all him. That's right, Pero. Thoughts on trading pool? Not sure who that is really. I know it's an Australian person. Yeah, I agree with that, Peacock. Your psychology on trading has helped you heaps. That's fucking good to hear, Carl. I like that. I like to hear that. How was your first year in trading? Big losses? Yep, just a nightmare, just a mess. Trying this, trying that, doing all sorts of crazy shit, right? Doing all sorts of crazy shit. I have a feeling that God is reaching out to you. Yes, I agree. This is refreshing. Man, that Matrix joke was hilarious. We actually be in our own heads. Bro, crazily in our heads. The shit that I see in chats, it's like you guys have fucking made up the biggest crazy conspiracies in your heads. I refuse to go to university and I'd be a bitch if Forex doesn't work. I don't have another plan. Yeah, but I'd say be careful there, Abel, because it's also a bit of a balance of like, you don't want to put too much pressure on yourself. Like, I would always suggest having like a side job or some form of income as well to reduce that pressure a little bit. All right, beautiful. We're getting some sort of shit happening here. This is not financial advice and for educational purposes only. Yeah, I agree, Brayden. Well, you guys on YouTube, please drop a subscribe, you guys. It'd mean I can eat something other than cereal for dinner. Actually, with that being said, every freaking YouTube post I make now, every stream, I get like emails from YouTube saying this won't be monetized because of the audio. I've got to change the audio tonight, actually. Have you read The Mental Game of Trading? No. I have heard of that book though. Yeah, I found the most benefit from books that were more in relation to actual human psychology rather than trading psychology. It depends. What do you mean by Blanco? It depends what you mean by how long did it take. Like some you can pass quick. Depends how aggressive you go with it. Yes, the first year for sure. NFP Friday. Yeah, I might do an NFP stream. Yeah. Oh shit, they're manipulating it towards stops. No, I do want to read that book though, Chase. I do want to read that. I've got a couple books here. Like, I don't want to. There's so many books I want to read, but I'm actually trying to cipher through the same ones to really instill the knowledge. I'm currently reading The Richest Man in Babylon. How long has this candle got left? It's flipping over here. Ah, Forex isn't flipping. What do you mean, mind-blowing, Dilawar? What do you mean? Thank you for the follows there on TikTok as well, you guys. What up, Alex? Any of you guys looking at anything in the Discord? Drop some analysis in the Discord. So a couple minutes over here for this candle closure. Oh, I see what you're saying. You'll have to drop something in the Discord to remind us of that. Interesting. I'm getting followers from your followers. This is not financial advice for education purposes. I learned a lot from you, bro. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I'm live on YouTube right now. Oh, I can't say that. The Babylon book is fire. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good so far. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, but are they becoming millionaires? That's the question. Oh, here we go. YouTube can't be monetized. Oh, damn it. I got to change that music. What would a YouTube monetize? I wonder what like a YouTube monetization for like, you know, I don't get that many views. You'd have to probably do some digging to find out. I don't really care because I'm like, what are they? It's going to be like 30 cents of a live stream. If it was like $10, then I'll be like, oh yeah, maybe I'm interested. Nice, trader. How was your mentor? What do you think about mentors? Depends what level you're at. I think it's pretty essential at some point. At some point you're going, it's not even like you, at some point you will need a mentor of some sort, right? You can't fit, like this is the biggest issue with a lot of traders. Like you guys have too big of egos. You think you can figure it out by yourself when there's people out there that have already figured it out and you can just steal or just take what they are teaching. Like it's really simple. Oh, what did you say? VDC. Not yet, Zara. What's good? Yeah, everyone looking at the same chart, same data. Do you think that influences on price? Not from retail. Not from like us as retail traders, we don't impact the market at all, barely at all, if anything. Yeah, but that's ego, and that's a bad way to go. So Peacock said here, some of us just want to suffer learning trade in ourselves so we can say we learned it ourselves. But that's ego and pride. One, it's not going to work out for you, and two, that's a character flaw. Like, that's going to reflect on the charts. It's not the way to go. Ego and pride get you nowhere in life or trading, I believe. And you're not really learning yourself anyway. You are just taking bits and pieces from everywhere. It's just making it harder on yourself, if anything. Because you already are learning from people. Like, it's not like you're looking at charts without ever looking at a YouTube video or reading a book or anything. It's like, you're already technically learning, so why not actually... Patience is killing me. And that's why that kills a lot of people. And that's why me personally, so that was a 30-minute closure there. Oh no, is it? No. I mark out my areas, know exactly what I'm looking for. And until I get that, I can just chill. Do you have a paid mentorship? No, I have a free Discord in the chat though. It's hard to say. I don't know, Bez. What's your Discord? It's linked. It's in my bio. The Discord is top tier, best in the game, no cap. Ah, sick, Ricky. Because I said this before. You know, a lot of the people in the Discord come from the stream, and then the stream we don't fuck around. Like, I'll do it. We fuck around in the sense of having fun, but in terms of the way in which we approach trading, it's like professional. So we're not getting a bunch of like delusional people in the Discord. So there's a good group of traders in the Discord. Oh, okay, Dilawa, sick. I think at some point you will need to get a course, yes. But be selective, because there's a lot of gooses. I'm from Brisbane, Australia. Definitely not a sell. You look like Gregor Colbert. I'm not going to look that up because every time somebody says something like that, I look it up and then, all right, I'm going to look it up. Gregor Colbert. I'm not going to like this. I already know. I look like this person? Okay. Do you do stop orders or constantly check it? Well, I put a stop order in, and if it triggers it, then I'm in, and then I just manage the position as it's live. Being around here is fixing my level of patience pretty fast, and that's the reason I've blown many accounts. Ah, that's really good to hear. Yeah. Patience will get you, man. You got two options, patience or impatience. One burns you, the other saves you. Thanks, unbalanced. So moving down a little bit here, what's Forex look like? Same thing. Cool, cool. If this were to flip green, I might be interested. Nope. I'm in and out of my trades pretty quick. Stop order, buy order. I don't know the difference. Isn't there such thing as stop order? Buy, stop. Yeah, I don't know. Are you in any TG? What the fuck's a TG? How come you don't look at the 1 minute? because it gives me no information that I could find relevant. I base my trades off candle closures, and I need at least like a 30-minute or a 15-minute candle closure to give me a certain level of confidence. 30 look like? So 30, this will be a 30 closure as well. TG is Telegram. Oh. Yeah, I'm definitely learning patience from your lives 2 weeks in a row. Ah, good to hear, Sam. That's all it is, man. Like, you'll learn. There's only one way, like, or that maybe there's two ways, because you're saying you're learning now, but I'm like you guys, man. I've spent a lot of time learning the hard way what impatience results in. And I think we all know what that is, right? So now I just come into the market, I know what I need to see, and then I just wait patiently until I see that. And if I don't see that, then I just call it a day. Call it a day. Daniel Holmes Trades, yes. Hello. Got the bridge in the background. It's red. I don't like that it's red. Maybe that's indicating a stop loss. Oh, it's actually blue as well. That's profit. So it's kind of like one of them are going to get triggered. Can you teach me how to be funded? Yeah, just pass your challenge. That's really it. Give us a house tour? No, I can't. My thing's hooked into the computer. Oh, what up, Azza? Mr. UFC. And I'm Mr. Jealous FC. The big dog. Top 3 traders ever to exist in the planet. Only trade gold? Yeah, only gold. I dabble in a bit of Bitcoin, but very rarely. Dabble in a bit, but very rarely. Aaron, just a small Bitcoin sell, but nothing, no proper. Like that was like pre-London. No, nothing yet either. Because yeah, like you even said earlier, right? It's just we're just moved up. Like this is a 15. Look, it's just green. Just green, man. But there's been some good opportunities I've personally missed, but well, I haven't missed because I don't trade them, but at least we're getting a bit of red now. TikTok battle, bro. Oh yeah, that's on Sunday. I'm keen. What about you? Oh, Aaron, you've been standing down as well, right? For a little bit. Wow, look at this. Let's go on YouTube. We prefer YouTube. Yeah, live on YouTube right now. Full screen type beat. Oh, don't leave without us, bruh. No, I think we'll be alright. Famous last words. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. Yeah, nice, man. Tough. Asia ripped up. Missed it. Yeah. Yep. Patience pays. Yep. Yeah, I can't lie. Like, you guys seen like all this movement, and then like as I came onto the charts, I'm like, oh, I could have got that set up and could have got that one. Like, it definitely triggered a little bit of, you know, something within me, like a little bit of FOMO or something. But I was like, got to be aware that I'm feeling that, because that could get me into trouble. So nice, cool. Didn't want to be a part of this at all. Fuck yeah. You were saying waiting for it to be green? Yeah, sort of. I have to wait for candles to close in certain situations. But yeah, I might have to call it a day. I don't know. We'll see how this candle closes over here. But what are you going to do, right? If it closes past this key level, I'll hang out. I'll hang out for a sec. 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 Fuck me. This is the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green 1 hour candles. Daniel, what do you think of the Hekanashi chart type? I have zero opinion. Hekanashi, Orokuzoshi, ooh, chart. Where the fuck is it? Is it on here? Oh yeah, here it is. Oh, the Hekanashi chart. It makes it look so easy. The Hekanashi chart looks hella easy, man. All I need to do is just fucking find where 2 greens print in a row. And what are the statistics of that? If it's 2 in a row, then does it continue? No, look, that's 3 and it didn't continue. 2. No, I don't know, but very weird. Ganashi chart. If you're not a patient type, you can't trade with Danny. Yeah, pretty much. People like, you can see in the chat like the anticipation people have. They're just like on the edge of the seat, like they just die in a trade. It's like, bro, it's okay. You don't have to trade every day if it doesn't arise. Ganashi chart. 3 minutes for this candle closure. We'll see what happens. Earnings today. Yeah, if you're on my YouTube that I'm live on, you'd be able to see. You can't see on TikTok. I'm live on YouTube right now. News tonight. What time is it? That's like in what, 4 or 5 hours or some shit? Oh, it's not 2. Yeah, 4 hours. You don't have to trade every day. Yeah, exactly. Like, bro, I couldn't fathom the thought of like not trading every day, right? And it used to destroy my account. And I spoke about this the other day on my story and shit. Like, it was also, nice still. It was also, I also couldn't finish the day red. Like if I was on red for the day, I would just like, it would eat me up alive. It would be a personal attack to me, and I would always have to get back in the market and just with the intent to try to recover it, to feel like I got some, I take back control. But what would end up happening, obviously, is I would destroy my account even more, and the cycle would just go on for fucking ever. It took a long time to get over that and submit. That's what I had to do. I had to submit to the market. Oh fuck. So you guys, Aaron Trades is a very experienced trader, and in the Discord over here, in the YouTube chat, he's talking about the inability to see the FVG and the moon phases indicator. The moon phases is the real one. For some reason that used to always pop up on my fucking why did that always used to pop up on my chart? It was like almost a default. So if you want to know the secrets to success, Aaron has just dropped some knowledge. Bro, can we talk about the political and economical state of the economy? Bro! I just want to talk about the political and economical state of the economy. Bro! You know, sometimes I just want to hang out with my friends. Bro, have you seen that other meme that's going fucking super viral by XXX? Freaking, what's a dad? And it's just like, it's so funny, but it's so fucked up. Whatever. If people don't use the moon phases indicator, you're sleeping on easy money. Bro, legit. Top secret. You know, you guys see on YouTube, like, the secret indicator that made me 4 billion cents. And it's like, the moon phases indicator is it. On average, how many trades do you take a week? I take a maximum of 2 trades a day. Sometimes it's just 1. Sometimes it's just none. I'm a good trader. Oh, that's good to know. Bro, I just lost entry on that candle because at the moment I don't feel secure in my strategy. It just means more time on the charts, brother. More time on the charts in live and backtesting. So we broke through here, but not on Forex. We broke through here, but not on Forex. Is the 30 still open? Oh, that was a 30 closure. Fuck me, it doesn't really give us much. 1 hour, 15. All right, I'll tell you what I need. I'm good, thank you, Lemon. What up, Beza? I'm a beginner tips, any analysis? What? You want to know the basics? Just jump on Google. You have to start from the ground up, bro, unfortunately. How long did it take you to have a solid strategy? Could have took much shorter, but I went around the world for like 2 years. But there's a difference between having your strategy and then spending a bunch of time on that strategy to learn the nuances of it. It's the nuances of your strategy that will save you. And it's more the nuances of not when to enter the trade, but when to not enter a trade. Everything's about what you don't. Like, even in life, we were talking about it earlier, like success or just personal success is so much more about what you don't do rather than what you do. Just finished TJR boot camp. Am I cooked? Yeah. Sorry, bro. I'd have to say. Nah, I don't know anything about him. I think it's like ICT shit. I actually have no opinion. How long do you think it would take someone to be profitable? It's an impossible question because it's all subjective, personal. Hey, bro, can you analyze Euro USD? All right, I'm going to do it in under 10 seconds. Wow. I'm going to do it in under 3 seconds. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, it looks like dog shit. It's not too bad. Look, you can see the next level is here. You can see the next level is here to the left. Oh, you can't see. Here to the left. By moving up. I'd be waiting for some structure, like red candles to form, wait for a breakout, push, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. So I need this current candle to print. I can't fucking bring up Zoom. I need a candle, small body red, to print here like this, you guys. If a small body red candle prints like this, the next one wicks down and starts to push, I'll take an impulse buy about there. Type beat. Let's see how this current candle moves. You know what I mean? Everyone needs to stop caring about how long it takes to be profitable. Yeah, I don't even think about that shit, you guys, honestly. All you need to think about is, how can I get better today than I was yesterday? That's all. And understand that your profitability is a byproduct of that. Simply that. I think I'm lucky in the sense of that I never really thought like, oh man, how long is it going to take? Like, I knew it was going to take time. And I didn't even care about the money. I just knew, man, how can I become really good at this fucking game? Like, if you guys like, I'm sure a lot of you guys like games, right? Don't you want to be good at the game? Just be better at the game. You know what you're doing when you ask that? You're basically saying, hey, I've been playing Fortnite for a while now. How do I win the tournament against other streamers and shit? And it's like, we'll just get better at the game. You know what I mean? Like, that's literally the exact perfect analogy for it. You guys are trying to win gaming tournaments, but you don't actually want to play the game. Exactly, Miss Manifesta. Your patience is saying I've learned a lot on this one live, legit. Oh, sick, Tino. Love to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Who uses financial astrology moon indicator? Aaron Trades is in the chat there. He's extremely he's an extremely decorated trader, but when you find out the strategy that he uses, you'll be shocked. You'll be shocked when you find out the strategy that this trader uses. That's like a news headline. Tonight on 9 News, we find out the strategy that a decorated trader uses, and it will blow your mind. What do you reckon the best stick to trade? What do you reckon is the best stick to trade? Wait, what? I have a question. I don't have a problem with Combine. I pass it easy, but I don't know when I get funded. I don't know what you mean, brother. Sorry. Do you ever trade gold in New York? No, I will on Friday, though. I might hang around on Friday for the New York sesh for NFP for a bit of fun. What's the best thing to trade during the London session? I don't know. I only trade gold. Just join the Discord server. Ah, sick. Good to have you there, Alina. Amazing. We've got more girls in there than guys now. Soon we'll be going in there and there'll be freaking, you know, girls doing makeup tutorials and shit. Fuck. Do you have a YouTube channel? I'm live on YouTube right now. Full screen type beat. You can see the account and everything. It's the same name as my TikTok name. 9 News. Tonight on 9 News. Why do they talk like this? I wonder if they talk like that in day-to-day life during sex. Fuck yeah, babe. Wow, so bad. Yeah, the girls. What up, graffiti? Just like a game. Can't join the Discord. You got to copy the link and paste it into your bio. I mean, I say bio every fucking time. I mean, copy the link and paste it into your browser. Into your browser. Your video cannot be monetized. Yeah, I know. You and Aaron should do a stream together. Yeah, that'd be sick. I don't know how it would work, but yeah, maybe we could do some sort of content together. I don't know if it'd be a stream. Maybe we'll do OnlyFans together or something. Oh my fucking god. What up, Eric? Yeah, Keen Aaron. Yeah, we'll do something. We'll think of something cool to do. Something that could be yeah, let's think of something cool. You know what we could even do, Aaron, is I have this big fucking 75-inch touch screen. We could do some sort of educational thing on the screen. Because you can touch it and draw and do all sorts of shit. Maybe we could do something like that. Yesterday I blew my account. Kiki, that's okay. We've all done it many times. You know, you just got to do what the only thing you can do, and the thing that you should be doing is analyzing what mistakes you made so you can try to avoid doing them tomorrow. That's all. On repeat, rinse and repeat. Every time you make a mistake, you do that and try to improve tomorrow. That's all you can do. Who or where did you learn to trade from? Well, it's funny you say, one of the first people is Aaron, who's in the YouTube chat right now. So if you guys jump over to YouTube, you'll see his name in the chat. He was probably one of the first. When I did the shit of like actually started in Google, learned the basics, and then when I was ready, I reached out to a mentor who was one of the first mentors I came across because I was looking for mentors in Australia. Is Aaron, who's actually in the chat right now on YouTube. Then from there, just kind of went around the world, just doing all these bullshit strategies, and then back at where I am right now. So this candle's got 6 minutes over here to close. It's got 6 minutes to close. A lot can happen in 6 minutes, so let's just be patient over here. Saeed, join the Discord, my brother. Join the Discord. This is not financial advice, and it's for educational purposes only. Is there a reason why you only trade gold? Yep. Because I found that less is more. I found that the less I did, the better my results were. Screen's beautiful. Yeah, it's insane, Aaron. Fucking so crazy, bro. So big and heavy, bro. It's like 4,000 kilos. Can you do a quick bit of analysis? Discord in my bio, Saeed. All right, I'll have a real quick look. Mateus. I'll give it 7 seconds. GBP. USD. Same thing. There's like some level right here. You can see straight away to the left. If it wants to gravitate up towards there or not. That's the question you have to ask yourself. Looks like it's something here that it has to kind of get past. Might be looking for waiting for a bit of structure to form and then wait for some sort of breakout maybe. I don't know. Come on, Candle, you can flip red. I believe in you. You can do it. Oh, wow. No, you're not. Burka Pussy. You're not giving up, bro. You're not giving up. It's not meant to be easy. Just remember, it's not meant to be easy. Just assess the mistakes and look to get better tomorrow. That's all you can do, man. Thanks for GBP. Oh, sorry. It was fucking world's worst analysis. It just looks like it's kind of pushing up similar to gold. I'll be waiting for a red candle to print and then looking at some structure for maybe some sort of breakout after that. Sweet, Aaron, brother. Sweet as, bro. Chat to you, man. I think you should save your money, Isaiah. What's your RI? I don't know. I don't really think about that. Kyla, no. And it sounds like you're going way too heavy on your size. Do you use this strategy for currency too? Yep. I would use this strategy for anything. Price action. Yeah, it looks like it's been a bit of a butt plug to us right now. Wants to yeah. Yep. So if this does want to continue up, I might have to just call it a day, and it is what it is. It's all well and good to be right about the direction, but then you need to find an actual entry point, right? You need to find, okay, I'm right about the direction. Now where do I enter? Okay. And if it doesn't present that, you know, this one hasn't even got a bottom wick. If it doesn't present that, then what are you going to do? When does this 4 hour close? Still got time. Wow, look at this 4 hour. This 4 hour close in 15 minutes on currencies. Yeah, but Dilwar, if for whatever reason you decided to enter and everything like that, even if you did get out, I'm assuming that it was in accordance to your rules, so it's like no FOMO. What do you mean, Anissa? 3 days decided. I'm Australian as well. Would you recommend going after Australian mentor? Oh, nice, Beza. Depends what type of trader you are. If you scroll up, you'll see Aaron Trades in the chat over there. He's a really good Australian mentor. What up, Fame? I wonder why Daniel with his relaxing voice, all the girls instantly... It's the realest, no Lambo, no flashy numbers. Yeah, we keep it real. Definitely, Pero. Patience. And obviously, it's like, it's not I want to trade I want to be involved in this trade as well. But look at this. It's just green. And if it doesn't give you the opportunity, what are you going to do? So, yeah, I have to use my brain here for a sec. You guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a like and a follow for the stream, you guys. I'll be live on YouTube every day. Price action shocking. No, I disagree. It's been absolutely beautiful. Like, you know, London session here, we kind of started around here, moved up, had a bit of a pullback, and then just impulsively moved up. Like, didn't really give us an opportunity just yet. Look at the 1 hour, bro. The 30 minutes. Just like, what are you going to do with that? What are you going to do with that? Oh, Tom, yeah, definitely, bro. Are you a Brizzy guy? Fuck, you should join the Discord, bro, if you are. I'm trying to link with as many Aussies as I possibly can. That's right, Brenton. Brenton, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day, you guys. I might hang around a little bit off stream, but what are you going to do? Type beat, you know what I mean? It's just moving up. I need now, because the reality is I'm gonna have to wait a while now for a few more red candles to print to give me an opportunity to continue on buys. I can't join the Discord. Yeah, you'll have to copy the link and paste it into your browser if that's the case. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, all right. I love you guys. Appreciate you for being here. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm going to maybe hang out a little bit off stream, but yeah, I'm going to call it a day there. What are you going to do? I have to wait for more red candles to print in order for me to potentially catch a move to the upside. For now, there's no point just hanging out waiting here. So there is. I enjoy being here with you guys, but I might as well go eat and shit as well. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and I will catch you on stream tomorrow. If you're not already, you guys on TikTok, you got to join the YouTube, man. It's the same name as my TikTok name.